Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into exactly how a complete beginner can realistically earn their very first $100 on YouTube in 2026. And the best part, we're going to do it without relying on millions of views.
So, what if I told you that earning your first $100 is actually way easier than hitting 100,000 subscribers? I mean, most beginners absolutely obsess over vanity metrics, right? Views, subscriber counts, the whole shebang. But smart creators? They focus on two things: solving problems and making money. Let's get into it.
Okay, let's shatter the biggest myth right now. The absolute worst mistake you can make as a beginner is believing that YouTube only pays through ads. That's just completely false. To earn traditional ad revenue, you have to climb this massive wall: 1,000 subscribers plus either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. Honestly, that grind can take months, but you don't have to wait for that. We're going to bypass that entire roadblock today.
Here's our playbook for today. We're going to cover the ad revenue myth, building your foundation, 3 paths to profit, the 30-day action plan, and finally, beyond the first 100.
Section 1. The ad revenue myth. Escaping the beginner trap. Section 2. Building your foundation. Choosing niches and solving problems.
Step 1 is absolutely crucial. You have to choose a profitable niche where the money actually exists. Do not just create random content. Think about the difference between good niches like AI tools, online earning, graphic design, personal finance, productivity, and software tutorials versus bad niches, which are just random memes, random clips, or whatever random thing you feel like uploading. People subscribe to expertise. They don't subscribe to randomness.
Step 2 is a total mindset shift. Next time you're staring at a blank screen, stop asking, "What do I want to upload?" Instead, look at your target audience and ask, "What problem can I solve for them?" Seriously, people are jumping on YouTube every single day, searching for solutions to their problems. Be the person who gives them those solutions.
So, what does problem solving actually look like in practice? It looks like videos with titles like Best Free AI Tools for Students, How to Remove Backgrounds for Free, How to Make Money Selling Digital Products, or How to Create Thumbnails with AI. These videos are highly valuable because they offer a direct, immediate solution to a specific problem.
Now for step 3. This is where the real work begins. I like to call it the 30-day volume rule. For your very first 30 days, you need to commit to uploading consistently. We're talking 1 long video daily or 2 shorts daily. And listen, do not obsess over perfection right now. Focus strictly on volume and making tiny incremental improvements with every single upload.
A great mental framework for this is thinking of it in chunks. Step 1, your first 20 videos are basically just training. You're just learning the ropes of the platform. Step 2, the next 20 are all about growth and finding your unique voice. And step 3, the 20 videos after that, that's where the real opportunities actually begin. Consistency literally builds the ultimate foundation for your success.
Section 3, 3 paths to profit. Direct monetization strategies.
Now that your foundation is set, let's talk about actually making money. Path 1, which is step 4 overall, is affiliate marketing. It's so straightforward. If you make a video about an AI tool, you simply place your unique affiliate links right down in the description. When a viewer clicks that link and signs up, boom, you earn a commission.
To really put that into perspective, let's look at the math, because it's incredibly empowering. If a program pays a $5 payout, you only need 20 sales to hit $100. At a $10 payout, that's just 10 sales. A $20 payout means you only need 5 sales. And get this, many software tools pay $50 or more per sale, which means you literally only need 2 sales to hit your goal. This micro-win math proves that your first $100 is totally within reach.
Moving on to path 2, which is step 5. Offer a service directly to your viewers. Viewers naturally become clients if you just give them the chance. For example, if you're a graphic designer creating tutorials, just say something at the end of your video like, "Hey, I also provide design services. Contact me below." It's that simple.
And if you're wondering how many clients you need to hit your target, exactly 1. A single client paying $100 instantly completes your goal. No millions of views required.
Now for path 3, our 6th step: sell a digital product. This is such a powerful method because you build the asset once and you can sell it infinitely. We're talking Canva templates, ebooks, AI prompts, crochet patterns, design assets. The possibilities are endless.
Let's look at the math again, because it's just as good. Let's say you sell a super accessible digital product for $10. You only need exactly 10 customers out of the literal billions of people searching YouTube to earn that first $100. Section 4, the 30-day action plan, your step-by-step roadmap.
So if you're starting from absolute zero today, this is your exact timeline. Day 1, choose your niche. Day 2, brainstorm and create 10 solid video ideas. Days 3 through 30, you upload daily. In week 2, you start adding those affiliate links. By week 3, you create a simple digital product to sell. And by week 4, you start offering a service. This is literally the fastest, most realistic path to profitability.
Section 5, beyond the first 100, expectations and long-term value.
Okay, let's ground this with some realistic expectations. Most channels are not going to make $100 in their very first week, and that's completely fine. But to reach that $100 in a 30 to 90-day window, you just need to follow the formula. Upload consistently, stay locked into one niche, learn basic thumbnails, use your affiliate links, and offer your services or products. Because at the end of the day, everything boils down to this. Focus on helping people, and the money naturally follows. Once one person buys from you or clicks your affiliate link or hires you, your whole mindset shifts. You suddenly know firsthand that it's actually possible.
I want to leave you with this thought to really chew on. Your first $100 on YouTube is not about becoming rich. It's about proving that your content has actual value. Once you unlock that first $100, the whole game changes. So the real question is, once you prove your value, how far are you willing to scale it?